Welcome back to Camper Cooking. Today we're going to make a very versatile dish. It goes with summer dishes, it goes with winter dishes, family get-togethers, whatever it is that you've got going on. This makes a great side. We're going to be making potato salad. Now for this recipe, you're going to need 3 pounds of boiled and diced potatoes, 1 1/4 cups of mayonnaise, 4 boiled eggs, hard-boiled eggs, diced, some green onions diced very thinly, about half a red onion also diced, 2 stalks of celery diced, 1/3 cup of sweet relish, and 1 teaspoon each of parsley, dill, celery salt, sea salt, and ground pepper, as well as a teaspoon of spicy brown mustard and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Start with 3 pounds of potatoes. Dice your potatoes to the desired size, put them in a pot, cover them with water, and then add a bay leaf for a little bit of extra flavor. You're also going to need 4 hard-boiled eggs. When the potatoes are tender, drain them and then drizzle the apple cider vinegar over the potatoes and let them rest until cool. We're going to go ahead and make the mix that goes over our potato salad. So again, you have 1/3 cup of sweet relish, and again you can use dill with that if you'd rather use dill. But we're going to go ahead and add the sweet pickle relish to our 1 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. And then we're going to add again a teaspoon of dill, a teaspoon of parsley, and then a teaspoon of celery salt, a teaspoon of sea salt, and a teaspoon of black pepper. And before I forget, we're going to go ahead and add in about a teaspoon of spicy brown mustard. Once your potatoes have cooled, and go ahead and put those in a bowl and have those ready to go. And again, also make sure that you have your 4 boiled eggs sliced and diced, however you like to have those. And we're going to go ahead and put in our diced hard-boiled eggs. And then we are going to add in the 2 celery stalks, the half a red onion, and the green onion. And then on top of all of our vegetables and our eggs, we're going to go ahead and pour in our sauce. Let's gently stir this together. Stir until all of your ingredients are lightly coated with your sauce. Now this already has a nice finish with it from your spices. You can see the little flecks of the dill and the parsley in it. It gives it a really nice color. You have the red from the red onion, the green from the celery, the green from the green onion, and like I said, it really makes it have a pretty presentation. You're going to put your potato salad in the refrigerator to chill for 1 to 2 hours, and then it will be ready to serve in the serving dish of your choice. Thank you for joining us today for Camper Cooking. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and we'll see you next time for second helpings.